Hey guys, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. I'm Cathie and today I've got two spring fashion DIYs to share with you using Fabric Mod Podge. This is one of my favorite formulas. It's the blue label formula, and this is going to allow you to stick fabric to all sorts of projects like this hat. I'm going to show you how you can make over a hat with fabric. I found this adorable fabric and this really cute velvet distressed ribbon to go with it. I'm also going to be making over one of these little pouch purses. This is like a body sling. These are perfect sizes for cell phones and keys if you're going out on a walk, that kind of thing. This is going to be a really cute coordinated look. All right, let's dive right in and start the crafting. So for these projects, I'm using Fabric Mod Podge. That's important. You want to use the fabric formula. That's the blue label. Go ahead and cut off any hat bands or any trims that might be on the hat. Then on the wrong side of the fabric, you're just going to line the hat up into the corner and we're going to trace around it with a pencil. You could also use a disappearing fabric pin here. Then you're just going to cut on that line, super simple. Now for that center circle, just find a plate or something that's circular that's about that size. Then you're going to find the center part of your fabric and then lay that circle shape there and just make sure you have it in the center and trace around that and cut it out. It's that simple. Now, I like to give it a little test to make sure it fits. I'm using that same fabric formula that I showed you at the beginning. We're just going to brush that onto the fabric. Super simple. Once the whole thing is coated, you will place it onto the hat. And you can see this is a pretty thick formula. Again, this is the fabric formula. So this is going to work best, not with the gloss or satin, but with fabric. Then just place it on your hat and smooth it into position. Once it's dry, you can add hat trims or anything like that. I'm using this really pretty velvet ribbon and I'm just hot gluing that around the edge. Super easy, fun, quick hat makeover. All right, let's go ahead and make that purse. I'm starting with the plain canvas bag and I've cut a piece of fabric. Now I'm going to iron over that top and the side edges, and we'll use the Fabric Mod Podge to glue those sides down. I've done that to all four sides, and I'm just applying a little bit of Fabric Mod Podge there, and then I'll fold that flap over and press and seal. It's really easy to do, but that'll give you a nice finished look. Once all of your edges are down, you're going to apply the Fabric Mod Podge either to the back of your fabric or you can apply it to the canvas bag like I'm doing here. You're going to want a nice thick coat. Then you'll just position your fabric right onto the Fabric Mod Podge, and then you can smooth with your fingers just to remove any wrinkles and to get it into position. I'm not top coating here because I'm not planning on doing big washes with this. I'm just going to be spot cleaning. For that ribbon, I'm just adding some Fabric Mod Podge to the back of the ribbon, and I'm going to add that across the top there. And of course, I wanted to add a little bit of flair to this bag, so I'm going to add this macrame keychain right there as a zipper pull. Look how cute and adorable this is. I cannot wait to go out for a walk with my cell phone bag and my new hat. Okay, you can see why this is one of my favorite formulas. I can't wait to see what you make, so make sure you use those hashtags Mod Podge and Plaid Crafts so everybody back at Plaid can see what you're doing. And hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons. I'll be back here next week with another fun video to share with you. Until then, have a great week.